your destiny. And God says, when you even look up on the whole issue of the mountain, you find that some of us are not stuck, but I am a doctor stuck in an engineering sector. I am a healer stuck in the corporate world. I am born to be a leader, to lead, to play a certain role in Pilweni, but I'm stuck being a follower. And then it's a mountain. Mountains by nature, they are steep. They are a challenge. You have to summit a mountain. And what are those mountains that you are scared to summit? What are those challenges that you don't have the courage to face? What is it that you are not willing to climb? Because those mountains are your challenges, and it was steep. And he says so Abraham takes a few of some people, aphila nabo, but when he gets to the mountain, he leaves them at the bottom. But who are those people, Naati, that we cling on, we tag along, we hang on to? What are those environments that we don't want to leave behind? Because some journeys you have to take alone. And when he gets to the peak or the top of the mountain, God provides, because he ends up not needing to sacrifice because God provides. So a lesson is that, really following on what we spoke about in my last video, God will provide where he has sent you. So are you where God has sent you? It takes obedience. It takes listening, having listening skills. It takes having a willing heart to sacrifice where you are needed, expected to. Sometimes things that you deem as valuable, it takes stamina to be able to climb, to face those challenges, and it takes being willing to travel alone when you are instructed and required to do that. It takes faith, having faith that God provides and rewards obedience. It really takes faith. Have a lovely and a blessed Thursday.